Yo, Busia, Mama Kwaba at the back, and some situation so, as Mama Kwaba at the back too much GH, as so none, the other talk, nice so any prison break. They say the prison break, in any US movie, they actually be say Nigerian prison break movie, party, yes, now wait, and American make sure say, prison break be apostle, Nigeria to say over 1,800 prisoners and eptimi epie fi ona emu enkron eye 9 awa be pie wo Ghana ha se ya nyame adom aposifo ene pedifo ense so omo a ya chi omo na eno nsemsem ene nia ene nam so ne ne ekoso wo man mu a na obehu na yesi Nigeria ne yesi ene obehu a yesi se emu nsemsem ne nko a mintimi enka ho nsem nyina encho eno ntima to mensa e dia frɛ me papa no ne me nua mema no ne me brothers mo mienu se wono meka me ho na nne yen pensem ensemi mu di enti na yetimi ye borders etimi ededa ho emma a whole prisoner bedwane afi ni prison adwane wa pa Togo hu apa Benin hu na Haiti Ghana eno wo betoye ana omo betoye eno nti ye boa me ana ka me ho na ye ma ye bra Hagan akwaba oba me nifa so a na afen so ye kwa bi benkum so a ye brother Michael a wono so eye Nigerian se me wo Ghana ni ba ko ha na me wo Nigeria ni ba ko ha nti na che se apai wa wonim dada medina no apai life apa as apa no nti na se we na ye ne ye ba be discuss e de actual nti kan ye ho wo bra discussion yi koso na me nsan mo akwa ba bio Bra Michael.
Oh, yes.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You and then Brian Akwaba. You're that one. The patron no one my voice so kakra me and the bedroom no sheda ni hasana. We say I was studio nti no ya na. Me dey me Manu. The san ha kan ye yenka. Yo papa. Yen start enfi wo so Ushe is asemia akosuya. Esi say Nigerian prison ebe breaki na say prisoners egum entimi anko countries looking at Nigeria bedu Ghana ha say woman anko country bia so ma paper countries nyina Haiti Ghana no usha uni say Ghana your security no na enye adwuma eno ntina people and I say everybody just enters into a country with no security strength attached to it or something.
Me mom dear, in fact, remember when I am as if you do parliament, as say, who can social borders are from Nigeria, as well Benin, Ufi Benin, and San Togo, and San Togo, and San Ghana. I want to Ghana, come on, come on, go with you. But what say I am if you say I have full. I name of that one met my name on page. What do we do? Timmy mom, in fact, mean tears because borders may be semi border, my two my fap and not to handle. And yet is a bit more semi border, and I did the new border. Now, what man for my baby Ghana ha. Now you grow for no more than some boy home by an immigration. Then no more yet. Then papers on Kofunikita on the chair say, I be say COVID-19 borders no matter. Nti e kwa me so na mo na me ya mo tumi buy and am fa no so airport no mo do one then e kire say then e kire say on ni mo de ba no e ho ya mo pepe sekuta e da kwan ma e so mo mo nti mi mo de me ti ase
na ensuo so nso a
nyame nkwa na ni
na ensuo so no nso no say omo ba o me so o me fa port and I say say mo so migrations wo nsuo na nsuo na no ho no ya na migrations injina ho.
And they are one person of him because sometimes we share in near my course organizers say, or China way you come, but one away in any hole, a 2 way awesome, a 2 way penny. And yes, if you are going in here, but money ye been in the echo course organ and answer yes, almost baby. Auntie, seriously, ye and penny for near more by home bands or more Minnesota, and Quebec boy, and yes, I never ban any.
And you.
Tin American kind and yes be ye can be beauty on namum say you bet you be a baby see a gin musica na say yes you will be say ko iska on na yere mo ko ni jiska ni Omo kunu jisika ne fini nsɛm kwa.
Ma jisika na ka mo.
Munja no boy, ma sin so kunu aka. Ne a bebre na ye sua firi ho na se ja mo kwan saa de a. Omo ankasa no sebi, enye se me ka kasa ayatwom ani. Omo ankasa omo kunu na mo ka omo nsɛm. Se ne ankofo ka omo nsɛm wo ama so.
Yeah.
Enye. Nti yempe no so mbo omo ban na mo ye mo de mbono ma pagye mu a ebeboa.
Okay, Brother Michael, we are not sending you anyway, but our brother Hagan was saying that our elders should, stand up and then be strong on this whole issues, because he doesn't understand why a prisoner will break out from a prison and then all the way from Nigeria, looking at the countries that they passed through, these 9 people, they couldn't stay any of this country, but straight to Ghana. So does it mean that Ghana has become so cheap to Nigerians that they think that because we are ignorant or we are so cheap and dumb, so they can enter into our country, you people can enter into our country and then do whatever you want to do without nobody attacking you or arresting you or saying anything to you?
Okay, well, I have to start by saying, you see, this is one Africa.
Yeah.
Ghana, if you are coming from Nigeria, you have to pass Benin and Togo.
Benin.
And these 2 countries are French-speaking countries.
Yes.
So the only English-speaking countries that are closer to each other is Ghana and Nigeria. So that is one factor we have to consider when you talk about migration of Nigerians to Ghana and they want to Ghana. You know, language is a very big barrier to people, especially the French. You know, I was opportune to travel to Ivory Coast the last time, but the language barrier was a very difficult problem for me because I couldn't interact with people the way I want.
Okay.
But now, here is the situation. Ghana and Nigeria will speak English. So if such incidents happen, the nearest place the person will think of going and settle very well in terms of communication is Ghana.
Oh, okay.
So that is the...
So it's not like we are so cheap.
Oh, no.
But because of language barrier between the 2 of us, Nigeria and Ghana, that is why anybody that picks up his or her bag from Nigeria, they come straight to Ghana.
Of course, because this is a second place you feel, with the language system and everything, you can feel at home. So that is where the main concept is even coming from, Nigeria and Ghana. And the second thought of it is, Ghana is a good place. I wouldn't lie to you. Ghana is a good place. Everybody wants to come and feel the love from Ghana, experience Ghana. So some people are, Ghana is a good place. I wouldn't lie to you. So that's the scenario I'm thinking of. It's not that the Ghana government is too, let's say, let me use the word nonchalant about how people trip into, oh no. But Ghana is a good place.
Okay, so sometimes when you hear your people, people mentioning your people's name in bad way, about their characters and their things they do in Ghana, how do you feel? Do you think they are disgracing your country, or they are really disgracing Nigerians? Actually,
I feel very bad if someone is talking bad about my people.
And do you deserve it? Do you people
no, it's not.
A bad name?
Oh no, we don't. Do you know what? Anybody that is condemning a Nigerian, to me, I see it as stereotyping. When I mean stereotyping, it means judging an individual effort, individual problem, and you are generalizing it, using a general instinct to just something, maybe an individual will commit a crime, and you generalize it. In Nigeria, we have different sets of people, especially in Africa. Even here in Ghana, we have the good people and the bad people.
Okay.
Yeah. So when because of one individual crime and you judge the entire Nigeria, that's stereotyping. Yeah. So to me, I feel I've been in Ghana for getting to 4 or 5 years. I think stereotyping is a major problem because people stereotype an individual action, then they generalize it to the whole Nigerians. Somebody in Ghana may not have an encounter with a Nigerian, but based on what you've heard about Nigerians, you feel all Nigerians are bad people.
Okay.
Yeah, but here is the situation. We have the good Nigerians and we have the bad Nigerians.
But it's like most of the times we do hear a lot of the bad people in Ghana here, especially when it comes to the frauds, the frauding, and then the what is the juju side. I mean,
okay. I will come into that. You know, in the entertainment world, I use it. I don't know. There is a saying: bad news flies more than good news. I didn't. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Bad news, bad informations, it trends
more than
the good ones. So that is the situation here. People hear more about the bad things Nigerians do, but the good ones, I believe there are some Nigerians that are doing good things here, but we don't hear them. The ones we hear are that bad ones. A Nigerian went to this place and broke into somebody's house. A Nigerian went to this place and killed his brother. Those are the informations we get. But the good ones, what is that? Does it mean that there is no single a particular Nigerian that will be doing good in Ghana? But we don't hear them.
So what about you, the good ones that are in? What are you doing about it to prove that there are good people in Nigeria, in Nigeria that lives in Ghana? Or in some countries?
I think it has to start by, people's perception first. Because if somebody have a knowledge that nothing good comes from you, if you eventually do the good thing, the person might not even see it because that's the person's perception. Believe. Some people have believed that once they're in Nigeria, whether you're doing the good thing or they've labeled you bad. That is still the point of stereotyping I'm talking about. You have to, we have to change our perception in such a way that we balance things.
Okay.
I don't know if you're getting me.
Yeah.
People believe once you're in Nigeria, that name Nigerian already, nothing good comes out from you. Even you are doing the good thing or the bad thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
But do you think your government is also not doing his work well as he's supposed to? That is why most of your people always run to Ghana for their greener pastures.
Obviously, if I have to tackle that issue, I will tell you yes, because it's obvious. I like hitting the nail on the head.
Why is it obvious?
Because I come from Nigeria, looking at the way things are going on, I think the last time we had NSAS peaceful protester, I believe people heard about it here in Ghana.
We all did the protest.
A country that is supposed to, move ahead, support each citizen, provide for each citizen, and at that junction, the country is at a state of, because I use the word dilemma, because if you see what happened at the NSAS protest, you know that Nigeria is not at peace. If you know the main thing that, the main thing that brought that to that NSAS, you know that it's just the country is not at peace.
The country is not at peace.
Yes. Then the NSAS movement, it started growing. Too, and at a point it turned violent. So if you ask me, I will believe that the government is a factor. Is a factor contributing to the migration of Nigerians to Ghana. I think the government is a factor.
Oh,
okay. It's a factor too.
Okay. Papa. Nigerians Ghana has say Michael Nena. And then you can, I know say one year papa na say he hasn't been he hasn't shown a good character to you. There's no way you will have your time or waste your time following him. So that means there are still good people from Nigeria in Ghana. Yeah. have you by any chance met or worked with one of the bad people in from Nigeria, and there are differences between the good ones and the bad ones?
Okay. Well, my answer is no.
No.
Though I have been to Nigeria myself for about 4 or 5 times.
Oh, okay. So how was the country? Like he's saying that the place is not at peace, Who do no not at the same. It's an here.
The question so do and never go do 1 week. Shut down. Say Niama Koya and Nama, which is what I watch.
Oh, okay.
Because one thing, Niaminim said Nigeria for the aggressive in nature. Omo dosu ye. Nti obi anfo obi am. Obi a ye na djuma obi a na ndekwan ye na de. But ono no say no Ghana, I think it's 2015, right?
Oh, okay. 6 years now.
Yes. Ye na the business. On now suban body be tina na waka. Most often say na waka stereotype so be fa ade kitu we no dey judge ni nyina. Sa na opatwe. Enya mu nyina na omo ni suban. But dodo na suban bi edi a ye ne obetima atena bom. For instance, say obi kwa go hide na no do her first question be say we Nigeria ni tell them so adentia on betena ofia on be say won yama. Our man wants to hide down to do on na no be something in Nigeria ni. See that?
In Togo.
Togo,
okay.
Ha ma here ho. Be something in Nigeria so dem adentia. On be say won yama. Na ba ko ba o de nyon nyina ba be kam. Just say as a kakra na o ma di kan ba no ma be say ekwan na form na ma o ma ba chiri.
Oh, okay.
Jama say no can be bring na papa no mo yen ba and am say mama di kan ba say nyama you papa no mo yen. But say no can san kan nye bia ne suban bia o wa nka me dimi na chimba.
Okay. And yen no COVID yeah say COVID is still reigning with other viruses and diseases that's reigning. Now, yes, we are closing your borders, but yet still we are still always having we are always having new people or visitors still entering our country. Now, COVID, yes, you keep the protocols. Do you think that this COVID can? I mean, we can still solve this COVID issue in Ghana here, whilst people are still entering without our immigrations doing anything about it?
Thank you. One I mean how because January to go Nigeria. And the processes are over firm and some of it to coin.
Yeah.
This all COVID-19 test or Ghana ha. No do airport in check you. Who go to Nigeria airport they check you. Who go to 3 days I just another test or and some of it to for flight the person be Ghana. Who go Ghana airport. Who be send for. So all this will make sure say wow you are safe. How be ma.
But looking at these people with
exactly
prison breakers, there is no way on better flight and exactly. And a baby money no more and someone be do has say cry and say
baby because I don't know say we will be ben e bia we will be na me so mu kra na unfortunately menya o prison crofoddo sen na oni omo
yes
we dwane crofoddo sen na we shia omo ha be Ghana ha in fact eno de your how kese because say you be jani amana say niam yes na say obi a pa bia to me ba emwai seriously COVID into kwa ye queen say niam be ko so akose now so we bet me Ghana at any point in time. In fact, the borders in Ankara they are very porous. They are very porous because say via immigration for Guano for how to be for Mexico. Cote d'Ivoire, there's a border at Seridadieso and Cote d'Ivoire. So immigration for Guano for quite below because BBN is you would go to move on what to move.
What to move now? Be
no the work can wait until one far to me for baby over my father. And see where I'm going to immigration for who's a witch or baby over my father.
My brother, since you are still in this country, now we will say you are part of Ghana. So if you are protecting something in Ghana, you should be part of it. COVID is still reigning. What do you think we should do to stop COVID? Because looking at how people can just enter into the country without immigration even knowing that they've entered into the country. What do you think we can do to stop this whole virus and diseases that every time different viruses and diseases are coming into the country?
Okay, well, I have to be very honest with you. You know, COVID itself is living with us here in Ghana. It's something that you cannot run away from.
Okay.
So, to my own opinion, I don't feel that we can control COVID with the the way people enter, because it's already in.
Okay, so since we can't control it,
By that, but
as a physiotherapist, what do you think we should do to help?
I don't think I would. Everybody, I think people have to do to help is, preventive measures of COVID-19 is still necessary. Putting on your nose mask, regular washing of your hands.
We are still doing that, but people are still getting the COVID.
You know why? People will always get it. Do you know why? It's not everybody. It's not everybody that is dedicated, to washing of hands, wearing of nose masks, and getting close to people.
Okay.
And another thing is, it has to do with. To me, I believe it has to do with your immune system.
Immune system. Okay.
Oh yes, it has to do with your immune system, because if your immune system is strong, it can be able to, sustain this thing, because the virus is living with us. And let us be honest with ourselves.
Okay.
We cannot run away from this virus. It's in already.
Okay.
You don't know who is having it.
Sure.
You don't know who is having it. Maybe, let's say, the means of contacting COVID-19. I feel maybe if the person having it is here, if the person having the COVID-19 is here, maybe he touches any surface and you touch the surface, you automatically get it.
Okay.
You see?
So as a physiotherapist, I learned you people have product that helps the immune system and even our skin itself. So how do you help Ghana with this your product, or how does it help the immune system to so for us to stay away from or getting in contact with COVID-19?
Oh, the only thing I would say is that as for the preventive measures, we must adhere to it.
Sure.
These are the preventive measures, which is regular hand washing, nose masks, to protect. But I think immune system.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
You need to boost your immune system. Once you boost your immune system,
how?
We have an alkaline natural lipid supplement that helps to shift the body from acidic zone to an alkaline zone.
Okay.
If your body is in an alkaline medium, no bacteria, virus, or fungi or parasite can survive in an alkaline medium.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Abraham, I think you have to, use the chewy word to capture this.
Okay. So, Abraham, yes, sir. Obviously, actually, alkaline, boost immune system, no alkaline, no, alkaline, I don't know.
Me name me treating, but me use scenario them they are actually.
Okay.
Yeah, alkaline. I say issue crudging, and now say issue IFE. Say issue on the monam Diana Casano. Abodim nyasa chimje is about 70% water. Issue kwa 70%. Now say issue na gina no say issue crudging and I say issue eniatia. Et me boabo no manu kutia hunam yare bia. As a body no hunam soldiers wo. But since you know woman say eyefi and as soldiers no woman na san komo bo ho ban wo mada. Okay. It is since you know e be issue crudging as o manya ne wakenya wo to manya ho le there ade abo ho ban. It is our products na ye won aye account water if any cleanship no. So no ma e boa body mani kenyan soldiers no woman na so mo bo ho ban.
Na say enye nsu keke.
Enye nsu keke. Enye nsu keke ya nso ko say nsu keke ano dad.
So na ko bia benu bi oni fi
ase. And your product awo no ma say na e na dwuma ne say ye won ni ma mi no mo de sodium carbonate and sodium phosphate. Na sesa nyema we mienu akoka hia nsuo ene mframa wo yemu na honde eno aba. But what you say?
Yeah.
Hanti say wo how bi ni sen kra sa COVID-19. One thing is it tax the immune system.
Okay.
The most of more no immune system na say so just now so mo bo mo ban wo ma da no a ne de o beku COVID-19 obeku ba so mo wo ho na so mo ahonde a se bibinya betu na so bopu na o mo kenya e ye o aduma. So they'll fight for you. And she said, "Oh, COVID no, and also how be a one. Anyway, me doctor no, but on one, my who said, say body no, was a zone, acidic zone, as a shuno woman, I feel no one. Yarabia bet not now, Edwin. But a shuno woman say a crowding and as any tea. Munamana Cassa, a pony papa.
Do not just say alkali, say
exactly.
I don't know, a call system, Nemo Echo Clinic,
exactly.
If your female woman, Emma, it's a project. I say, I don't know, I'll be a two, not here, and one. Oh, okay, I see now. And then that, you better must say, Tina just said, and Tina and alkali, no, and no, so be as you should be, I don't know, away day. Wa nensa ka bisa
nyame adom foros no de o Ghana nti se nipa no ohun ye na o contact yin
do telephone number I will be contacting
fa ona mama na
your number please.
Okay.
Your train number no na just say and I say alkaline na say COVID-19 yeti o man mu a yenye safe na yetimi wo ha na obi obi fi bebi akeka na ebe ho ase wo robi ebra ya kasa na o kase Udu border honoma enye baby a yebekase yetwa wo e de ahye honoma na say esi amesi a na obi ba obekase o so wanfa immigration for ha wonya baby amfa say bushes wo honoma obi antimi ru oman ni mu bi keke na say we are still not safe with COVID-19 eno di no na say what honoma na say obo ho ban a alkaline e wo honoma e betimi ide aboawa woni betimi cleanse o system no na eno no so no uhie bia this is the contact ubetini ayede afreye 020 1071140 02010711140 womodi ase obefre na wonsa ka bi na so wasasa umunsuo immune system ninsuo na ayefi bia no na aye project na yebesre se moma yende Ghana yende pa na enne abre ade chi ade san bia no ensem egusu bra omani ahodro nipa ahodro egusu ebra Ghana man nti yesre se immigration for no na enyo adwuma yie ana police for na enyo adwuma yie a ye oman mufo no nso a yetimu no yende na yema yeni na hono na yemu omo enyo adwuma yie aha ena meja mo esimidia ene akosua kokua anta aka Prefidi apa 1 I also wanna subscribe it na share to all other social media platform na follow you on Instagram Facebook and Twitter wa unim that say ho na hear me na ja comment am I ffff makramo that's the next message here.